In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Hello, my dear students. Our lesson for today from Module 4, Lesson 1, we will travel to the stars. The outcomes of this lesson is to translate words using glossary and dictionary, read and answer questions after listening to the recordings. So we need to keep the dictionary by our side and we need to keep the glossary page opened. The second objective is to read and answer questions after listening to the recordings. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to an exercise that we are going to listen to a soundtrack, then get back to the video in order to answer the questions in front of us. Now open your student's book at this page for Module 4. The outcomes of this module are in front of us. The first outcome is to predict the meaning of new words and vocabulary items. The next objective is to read about space travel, the solar system, and the universe. Listen to the passage about Muslim astronomers and their inventions. Talk about the possibilities of space tourism using the future simple tense. Finally, prepare the message to send to outer space. The project is to make a solar system model. Now, before we start, we need to look at the picture here. When we see this picture, what can we say about it? Yes, we can see stars. We can see space. Now, these two words, I need you to use the dictionary in order to translate it into Arabic so you can understand what I mean. These are stars, and these are all space, which is outside the earth. Now, let's move to the next page. The stars. Now, in order to answer I want you to answer these questions here and by yourself and predict the meanings. What is the Milky Way? Try to translate this using the glossary. What is the meaning of galaxy? What's the meaning of a planet? What's the meaning of a universe? 2. Our sun is in the center of the Milky Way, outside the Milky Way, in one of arms of the Milky Way. How many planets are there in our solar system? 8, 7, 9. Which is the biggest? Jupiter, the Earth, the Sun. 5. The Sun revolves within the Earth, the Milky Way, the Moon. Now, in order to answer these questions, I need you to stop the video and move to the recording in order to listen to this and answer. المطلوب منك الآن إنك توقف الفيديو وتنتقل لمقطع الصوت اللي أنا حاطه في الرابط أمامكم حتى تعرف إنك تجاوب الأسئلة هاي أمامك. Okay, now let's move to exercise 3. You need to read these words and to translate it. Now there are 2 homeworks I need you to prepare. The first homework is this. This is gonna be a homework. Translate. The next homework is gonna be answering the whole questions for this page in the activity book. Now, To start with the vocabulary, 1. Label the pictures using the vocabulary from module 4. الآن الكلمات اللي احنا تعرفنا عليهم في الموديول 4 في الصفحة السابقة وطلبنا انها تترجم رايحين نجاوبها. هذا هو الواجب لهذا الدرس اليوم، وشكرا.